If you've ever sent a message on X, formerly Twitter, and wondered whether the other person actually read it, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to check. This is a simple feature, but a lot of people miss it, especially if they're new to direct messages on X. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X and go to your direct messages. Once you're inside your chat inbox, open the conversation that contains the message you want to check. After that, look for the three dots next to the message you sent. Tap or click those three dots to open the message options. From the menu, select Info. This will take you to the details for that specific message. Now here's the key part. If the message has been viewed, you'll see a Seen By section. That means the other person has opened and read your message. If you do not see a Seen By section and you only see Sent By, then the message has not been viewed yet. So that's the easiest way to know whether someone read your message on X. Just remember, you need to check the message info inside the chat itself, and the presence of Seen By is what confirms it was opened. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.